Welcome everybody, my name is the Crypto Pool, and before we get into this video, I just want to let y'all know I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research, and if you could, drop a like to this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified for more videos like this. I will be releasing more trading strategies that I use with crypto. Let's get down to it, guys. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Trading View. We're going to go to the search bar and type in a cryptocurrency that you want to trade with. I trade with Cardano. I don't mind holding on to Cardano if it happens to fall 1 or 2%. I don't mind holding it. So find something that you're willing to hold if the market flash crashes. It does happen. This method isn't 100% proof, just like any other method, guys. Hit this button here, full feature chart. Once you hit that button, you'll pop into something that looks just like this. Yours will probably have volume. You can just hit the X and X out. Also, yours is probably going to be at a 1 day trading window. For me, I hit 3 minutes. I like to get in and get out as quick as possible. So for me, I use 3 minutes. Next thing you're going to want to do is go to your indicators button here. Click on indicators, hit the search bar and type in 4EMA. You're going to click on this here, and you're going to get something that looks just like this. I already have mine set up, but I'll walk you through yours. So in the end, you're just going to look just like this. But for now, you're going to hit on settings. You're going to go over to input. You're going to change this to 8. So it should say 8, 13, 21, and 55. The next thing you're going to do is go to style. You're going to change these to blue, green, yellow, red. Make sure your opacity is to 100. And for me, I like to use the thicker bar, so I click on this third one here. Hit OK, and yours should look just like this. Exactly like this. Now, for this strategy, you're going to want the blue, green, yellow, red to line up. Notice how these are blue, green, yellow, red. As soon as it hits blue, green, yellow, red, it shoots up. Every single time, guys, it shoots up. Blue, green, yellow, red. I believe I got in on this one here, and I got out pretty quickly. 24 minutes. I made 2.4% in 24 minutes. I got in, I got out. It's same thing everywhere. Blue, green, yellow, red. And I believe I got in here as well. I got in at 41. I got in right here and I made a couple percent. And I got out, I think it was right here. I got out right here. So, another about 2% in 51 minutes. So this strategy is quick. You can hold longer if you want, and it's possible to hold longer. You can make more money holding longer. But it's whatever you're comfortable with trading with, and whatever your comfortable level is. For me, I like to go in and get in and get out. I don't like to be too greedy. The more greedy you get, the more likelihood that you're going to end up losing money. So please get in, get out, make your money, and rinse and repeat as much as you want. This strategy works everywhere. I'll show it again. This is a caution for y'all. These little ones right here. Notice how it is blue, green, yellow, red, so you can get in it really quick. But you'll notice that you're only going to make a percentage before it goes right down. So like I said, remember this strategy is not 100% proof. So please be careful. Trade at your own risk. But for the most part, it does work. Here we go. Again. In 24 minutes, about 1%. And you're saying, oh, you're only getting 1% here, 1% there, but those 1% add up. I mean, I traded 1% like 6-7 times throughout the day, so I'm making about 7%, a day doing this strategy. With about, I think I started with, I can't remember what I started with. I started with 0.13 Bitcoin, and now I have 0.1 0.8 or 0.9 Bitcoin, you know, in a single day. So the strategy works. You know, those 1% gains. You know, and and the more tolerant you are, you could, you know, go up to get those 3% gains if you want. But a caution to for y'all: once this blue line crosses over into this green, I would immediately sell, because that's going to indicate that it's going to fall. In most part, notice it falls. So just be cautious. Trade at your own risk. This strategy works to catch these huge upward trends. So this is pretty much it for this strategy, guys. I do have another strategy that I will be showcasing later on during the week, and this strategy that I use, that I'm usually in and out within a minute to 10 minutes, and making about anywhere between 1% to 2% in about 1 to 10 minutes. I usually use that strategy. I usually use the other strategy as my go-to strategy. I use this one for a longer term if I see the market is going to be, you know, in a bullish long market. If the market's like this, and I'm gonna show you, if the market's here going down this way, I would usually use the other strategy. So I'm consistently trading. So I trade between the two. You know, so find your, like here, I will trade with the other strategy, and I will get these gains here. You know, this boom, this 1%. Now the other strategy is perfect for this kind of stuff. But notice here, blue crossed the green, and is dropping. Once the blue crosses into the red, it's gonna drop even more. It's just gonna drop dramatically. It's gonna be really harsh. So yeah, this is it, guys. Hope you like the strategy. Please drop a comment below. Let me know what your strategies are, so I can go and make some videos on it. I'll trade with them. I'll use them. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day.